Hi, this is Harsha Rai Prolu from Central Queensland University, Sydney campus. This video is regarding the Corporations of Business Structures assignment. In the following case, the clients can be advised as the two options available to the parties of starting the new business include the formation of partnership and the incorporations of the company. As a result, the advantages and disadvantages that are associated with both these business structures need to be evaluated so that the most appropriate business structure can be recommended to the parties on the basis of their circumstances. In order to find out the particular circumstances of the clients, certain questions were asked on the basis of the answers provided by the clients as well as the pursuit of relevant law related within the business structures of partnership and the company. A report was made for the supervising partner regarding this research. At the same time, a report was also made to the supervising partner regarding the arguments that can be given in favor of the recommendations made by clients. The present research reveals that there are certain advantages associated with the business structure of the company. For example, the law considers that after its incorporation, a separate legal identity is created. In this way, company enjoys own legal identity. As a result, for this legal fiction, a right has been provided to the company to join legal proceedings in its own name. A comparison of the business structures of corporation and partnership reveals that there are certain benefits that are available in case of company, but they are not available to the partner. One such major advantage is present in the form of a limited liability of the owners of the business. The reason is that the law treats company as a separate person. Hence, it is considered being separate from the owners or the controllers of the company. Due to this legal fiction, a company is allowed to enter contracts on its own name. Similarly, a company is also allowed to own property on its own name. This is a result that rights and liabilities of the company allowed on its own and cannot be attributed by the owners or the directors of the controlling company. Therefore, the major advantage is that even if the company is not in a position to repay the debts, but the investor or the shareholders are not personally liable for these debts. Hence, a major advantage is available to the parties that even the business fails. The owners of the business are not treated by the law as being personally responsible for the debts of the company. This advantage is available if the clients decide to register the company for starting their business. In this case, the personal assets of the clients will not be at risk in the event of the failure of the business. Certain other benefits like lower tax rate are also available to the parties. On the other hand, sole traders and partners have to pay the income tax while the company is required to pay the corporate tax. The rate of the corporate tax is lower than the rate of the for the company than the rate of the income tax. For example, the process of registration in company is costlier as compared to the creation of a partnership. In the same, with the process is more complex. The corporations law has also imposed a number of obligations on the companies. The conduct of the corporations is also regulated by ASIC, and its regulations are required to be followed by all the companies. For instance, several obligations related within the maintenance of the records and imposed on the companies. At the same time, certain disclosure obligations have also been imposed on the companies on various authorities. The duties of the directors are also prescribed by the law, as well as the constitution of the law. The reason behind the governance and the companies, and also the view to ensure the safety of the investors. Under these circumstances, it can be recommended in the present case that keeping in view the particular circumstances of the clients is that the most appropriate business structure for the clients will be the incorporation of company for the purpose of starting a new business. Although the option of forming partnership is also available, But after considering all the other circumstances, it is clear that the registration of a company will be the most appropriate step. The business structure of the company will be able to fulfill all the needs of the clients. The business structure will also provide the advantage of limited liability that is desired by the clients. This business sector will also provide feasibility, flexibility that will be required by the clients. Later on that, they have indicated that some persons may also join in the business afterwards. The business structure of a company will also be most suitable to raise funds that may be required for the expansion of the business. The business structure will also provide the advantage of perpetual succession. Therefore, while the members of the company come and go, the existence of the company will continue. The act of the formation of the company also reveals the seriousness of the owners of the business while dealing with the affairs of the business. Therefore, the incorporation of the company is recommended for the clients to start their own business. Thank you.